Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a typing effect with audio in Capcut PC. So just let me close this now. Delete this projects I have here. Now let's click on new project and now let's head over to text. Here click on this plus to add a text effect onto the timeline. Now we can increase the duration the way you want, and now I will look here for a font, right? So look for the right font you would like to use for this effect. Actually, this is not the right one, but that's fine. And now we have the text, right? But we need a typing animation. So what you have to do is to click on here, animation, and here we have a typing animation loading resources. So wait 1 second, and here we have one typewriter. Click on this one, and now just increase the duration. Now we have a typing animation. Go to audio here. Now here write type and click enter. And just grab this one, add it to the timeline. We have this effect, Control B, or if you want maybe this typing audio to be like much faster. If you want to increase the speed of this sound, you can go to speed, and here we can increase. You can also increase, now just resize the text. As you can see now, I don't think you can hear the audio, but it is here. It's pretty cool. I think it's pretty helpful and pretty cool effect. Now if you want to use this, because I just thought to myself, maybe you want to use this and you don't want to recreate this every single time, there is a way actually, in fact, to use this as like a preset, not a preset, but can save some time. So after you change this text the way you want, what you can do is to export like this, put it on desktop, select export, and now I'm gonna go back to home page, new project, import the video we just created, and here let's say I have another video. Let's say assume this is the video, right? So what you can do is select the video, go to mode, and then here to go to multiply or color dodge or screen overlay hard. It doesn't work because like what I have here is like not it's the back here, but if I grab this one, let's say this one, as you can see now, it just works just fine. So if you go with dodge, color dodge, or as I said, or overlay, the effect works without any problems. But because we have here white, that's why it didn't work. We can also use screen or color dodge, or just multiply if you want to have this like you see through the text. That's another cool effect you can create. Or burn, or screen, or darken, or soft light. If you want to make this maybe That's another way. So this video is already 5 minutes. I think that's long enough, and I hope you learn something. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I will really appreciate it if you subscribe and like this video. This will motivate me, encourage me to post more. And if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. That's the end of this video. I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.